Bright desert town, children playing. Narrator. A long time ago, in the city of Makkah, there lived a very special boy. His name was Muhammad. He was kind, gentle, and always told the truth. Everyone in Makkah trusted him. They called him Al-Amin, the honest and trustworthy. Whenever people had something valuable, they would give it to Muhammad to keep safe. They knew he would never cheat, never lie, never steal. One day, someone asked young Muhammad to tell a lie. But Muhammad said, "No. A Muslim always speaks the truth." Because of his honesty, everyone loved him. Even before he became a prophet, people respected and admired him. Children, the story of Prophet Muhammad teaches us an important lesson: always be honest. Always speak the truth. That is the way of a true Muslim.